Hello folks, today I've been riding this thing for 3 to 4 hours with the full battery, and there's still some juice in it. This thing is awesome. The thing that I love the most about it is the foldable feature. I never had a foldable bike before, so this is my first bike. And at first it looks so easy, right? Probably not. You have to watch the video or somebody else tell you how to actually fold it and unfold it. But the most important thing is this right here. Make sure it's tight so the front wheel is not swinging back and forth when you roll it. Okay? And also the back wheel, there's a nut right here that you would have to pull it up and turn to this position. See? So when you fold it, pull it down like that so everything is locked in. When you're ready to use, push it up. It's a little tight. There you go. And then unfold it. So I'm gonna put my phone down and show you how this is done properly so you don't get your thing, scrapped up and everything. Give me a second. Alright, so let me put the phone up a little bit. There you go. So what you want to do is lift that screw up and then put this down, right? And then unlock this side. Like that. Okay, and try to lock this part in first. Lock it in so it's secured the front wheel for you. Okay, and all you have to do is just lift this up, kick it a little bit, release your kickstand, and then over here, oops, sorry, your kickstand, and then come over here, lift this nut over and in, and now you can tighten it. Okay, not too tight. Not too tight. I'm gonna release it a little more. Not too tight, but tight enough. So let me put the phone down. Okay. Lock it in. Now it is secure. Now it's operational. Okay, take a look at that. This is your whole bike and it's ready to use. Okay, so here's the power button. Turn it on. You have most of the information that you need here: mile per hour and the speed. And I believe if you press the power up once, it's gonna turn the speed to different mode. There are 3 different modes. And lights. So you double press it. Lights on. Right there. It's LED. It's really bright at night. And here is the backlight. Okay. And it gets brighter when you hit the brake. And that's it. Very simple. Very simple interface. And this is where your accelerator go. That's where you start to go and stop. And here's the bell. Yeah, that's it. Alright. Now let me show you how to unfold it. Sorry, I meant to say here's how you fold it. Okay, so you gotta make sure you turn it off. Hold out the power button. Okay, same deal again over here. Release this. It's a little bit of work, but you know, it's worth it. A little more. Okay. All right. Now, over here on this side, I hope you can see. Yes. Kickstand. Okay. Turn this over like that. Put it down. Right. And at this point, you can either fold the front wheel or just fold the back wheel completely. Either way you want to do. You gotta unlock that part. Close it in. Alright. Make sure you have this locked latch. Very important part right here, so this doesn't move. Okay. And here's the back wheel. And again, don't forget, because right now it's losing up. Okay, so it can fall anytime. The magnetic is just temporary. What you do, you lock it in. Now it's totally secure. Okay, now you can actually roll it. Without the wheels being, you know, swinging back and forth. Now that's it. That's the whole video. I hope you enjoy it. Informative. It's a great vehicle when you're in the city.